Hi guys! Welcome to another day of thrifting. So today magtatagaytay tayo guys. Doon tayo mag-ukay-ukay. First, papagas lang para ready na tayo for ukay-ukay shopping. Time check nga pala, mag-past 12 p.m. na to and mag-expressway na lang tayo para mas mabilis. It will take maybe 3 hours pag galing Valenzuela and dito kami ngayon sa may silang. Ewan ko, ang weird ng dinaanan namin. But anyway, we're finally here and dito na kami ngayon sa Ukay-Ukay Hub, the biggest ukay-ukay dito sa Tagaytay.
Miss, kayong barya.
Pang third time ko na yata mag-ukay-ukay dito guys. As always, same pa din yung style nila. Pagpasok mo ng ukay-ukay, nandun yung mga new arrival or the more expensive things that they have. And then sa may middle, yung mga discounted na price. And of course, sa pinakadulo, andun yung mga naka-sale price. So, ito yung first batch ng mga ukay finds ko. This is a top, very cute, the chiffon top. Also have this. This is green naman. Ang lakas maka Gucci vibe. Brand new with tag. This orange na button down. This very cute na sleeveless na floral na mini dress. Color yellow naman. This off the shoulder na top. Another black na top chiffon. This is really nice guys. Ang ganda ng dress na to. This floral na blouse, maternity na pants, and then this, another top, and then this skirt, another skirt, and then we have this new with tag na top again, and then this pants, gingham naman, cute ng color nito, another maternity, pero skirt naman, and then I saw this, kaso binalik ko to. Those ukay finds price ranges from 3 for 100 or 35 pesos to 50 pesos lang. Isa din to sa mga ukay finds ko, 40 pesos lang din to. This is a denim pants. Ito loose fit. Tapos this, denim top, very cute. Excellent condition din to guys. And then I found the skirt, 35 pesos naman. Ito yung ukay-ukay na to. Dito sa pinakababa, yung mga naka-sale na area. This maternity pants, very lightweight. This red skirt, very cute. I found another skirt. This is also excellent condition. Look at this one. And then this top, this is also excellent condition. I think I have to keep this for myself. I also scored this skirt, excellent condition. This red, glittery to na skirt guys. And then this martial arts na shorts. Very nice, excellent condition to. And then I scored a couple of skirts here. So ito yung mga skirts, skirt, 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 skirt. I also bought a couple of tops here na excellent condition guys. This pants, this is 100 pesos. High-waisted, this is really nice. Ang ganda pa ng kulay niya. I'm excited for this. cute nitong chiffon na dress. Perfect for summer, 35 pesos. This is 20 pesos naman. And then this summer na dress, very lightweight.
Welcome to Bra Avenue. Okay, what cup do you like? Oh, hey! Yoo-hoo!
These are all the items na score namin dito sa Tagaytay Ukay Hub. Meron pa ako isang ukay dito sa Tagaytay na favorite ko rin puntahan. Ito yung sa may McDonald's. May Mercury siya sa baba, tapos sa taas yung ukay-ukay. Tara guys, samahan niyo ako. Ipapakita ko sa inyo yung mga ukay finds ko later dito sa ukay na to. Una kong chinek dito yung mga pants na section nila. Ito yung first ukay find. This is a denim pants made in Italy. Ang ganda ng quality ng pants na to. Halata mong hindi siya murahin yung pagkagawa sa kanya. I also found this. Kaya ako ito binili. It's because of the design. And then, I'm supposed to buy this denim pants too. Excellent condition sana to. Maliban na lang. Dito sa likod niya, kinat yung tag. So, hindi ko siya binili. I bought another maternity pants here. This is also excellent condition. 50 pesos lang to guys. And I love buying maternity pants sa mga ukay-ukay. I scored this skirt. This is Talbot's. Look at that design. Ang ganda ng quality ng skirt na to. And then I also scored this. 50 pesos din. Plus size 2 na black na pants. This H&M na skirt. 50 pesos. Then this is 75 pesos naman. Kasi dalawa for 150. I also bought this here. Tingnan niyo naman guys, kano siya ka-cute. Ang cute ng kulay nito. Sleeveless siya. Tapos parang long yung cut. Pero ang ganda nito sa actual. Then this dress, excellent condition to. It has pockets. Siyempre pag may pockets na dress, bibilhin natin yan. This is also 75 pesos. This is another parang jumper dress. This is also nice, 75 pesos. Ito din, 75 pesos lang din to. Super heavy nito guys. Parang 2 kilo siya. If ever isusuot nyo to, mapapagod kayo. Pero binili ko to. Kasi ang ganda ng quality nito. Made in London to na dress. Ang ganda niya. And then this denim. Dress ulit. Very good condition. This gingham naman. Sleeveless to. And then another denim. Ito, I think this is mango. This is really nice. And then another one.
This is my favorite ukay find from this ukay shop. Ito yung dress. Color black. Meron siyang parang leather accent. Ang ganda ng quality ng dress na to. I scored a few tops here na tag 50 pesos each. This one is also very cute. Ang lakas makatita vibes. And then this chiffon na yellow top. The 50 pesos lang yung mga tops dito, guys. Ang cute din itong top na to. Small size siya, but this is also very good condition. Gustong gusto ko yung pagka-green ng top na to. Another ukay find from this ukay shop is this. This is Zara Man. This is small size. Petite size siya. This is also very good condition. 50 pesos lang din. Sobrang daming ukay dito sa Tagaytay. Sa totoo lang, kulang yung oras namin today. Kung marami lang sana kaming time ngayon, mas madami akong ukay na mapupuntahan. But since tanghali na kami nakaalis ng Valenzuela, hapon na kami nakarating dito. But anyway guys, I enjoyed a lot. Ang dami din naming nabili dito sa ukay-ukay or sa mga ukay-ukay sa Tagaytay. By the way, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, and you love ukay-ukay videos, oy, ito nga pala, isa to sa mga favorite ko din dito sa ukay na to. This is 75 pesos. Very good condition din yan, guys. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet and you love ukay-ukay videos as much as I do, please support my channel. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe. I have another ukay video coming soon for you guys where I share my ukay finds. And if you love thrifting, we can be in the same community para ma-inspire natin isa't isa na mag-ukay-ukay. Thanks, guys, for watching. I'll see you on the next one. Bye for now. Day! Day! May bes, ulugon.